Hey everyone, get ready to be blown away by the return of an American icon, the 2025 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. This modern muscle car takes everything we loved about the original and cranks it up with a bold new design, cutting-edge tech, and raw performance that'll leave you grinning ear to ear. Whether you're a die-hard Mopar fan or just someone who appreciates vintage muscle reimagined for the modern era, the 2025 Hemi Cuda is something special. On the outside, the new Hemi Cuda brings back those signature retro cues that defined the legend. You'll immediately notice the wide, aggressive stance, the sharply sculpted hood with functional air scoops, and the unmistakable shaker sticking out like it owns the road. LED halo headlights, modern aerodynamics, and massive 20 to 22-inch wheels complete the look, making it clear that this isn't just a nostalgic nod. It's a full-on performance beast with attitude. The front grille has a menacing presence, paying tribute to the classic design but with a futuristic twist. Around, back quad exhausts and a sleek rear spoiler keep things race-ready and aggressive. The body lines are sharp and muscular, giving the Cuda a dominating road presence that screams horsepower even when standing still. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of vintage charm and futuristic comfort. The cabin is all about driver focus, featuring bolstered leather performance seats with custom stitching, throwback badging, and a digital gauge cluster that mimics classic analog dials. A massive touchscreen infotainment system sits front and center, offering seamless access to navigation, performance data, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Aluminum and carbon fiber accents dot the interior, reminding you that this car is equal parts muscle and modernity. Ambient lighting, customizable drive modes, and an optional Harman Kardon sound system take the interior from nostalgic to next-gen luxury, proving the Hemi Cuda isn't just a brute, it's got brains too. Under the hood is where things really get exciting. The 2025 Hemi Cuda roars to life with a supercharged 6.4L, or possibly even a 6.2L Hemi V8, rumored to push out upwards of 707 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic or optional 6-speed manual transmission, this monster rockets from 0 to 60 in around 3.5 seconds. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, with the possibility of all-wheel drive variants being explored. Launch control, performance traction management, and Brembo brakes ensure that all that power is kept in check. It's not just straight-line speed, either. Adaptive suspension and a finely tuned chassis give it surprisingly agile handling for a car of its size and power. When it comes to safety, Plymouth isn't cutting corners. You can expect advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A high-strength steel frame and multiple airbags provide peace of mind, making it clear that this isn't just a weekend warrior. It's built to be driven hard and safely. With all the tech and engineering under the skin, the 2025 Hemi Cuda is as smart as it is savage. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but insiders estimate a starting price around $65,000 for the base model, with high-performance trims stretching into the $90,000 range. Optional packages could push a fully loaded version past the $100K mark, especially if limited editions or track-focused variants are released. But considering the power, performance, and legacy packed into this machine, many enthusiasts will gladly pay the premium. Overall, the 2025 Plymouth Hemi Cuda is shaping up to be one of the most exciting comebacks in American automotive history. It mixes raw muscle with modern tech, classic design with cutting-edge performance, and pure driving fun with everyday comfort. Whether you're looking for a collector's dream or just want to rule the streets, the Hemi Cuda is back, and it means business.